Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we learn about greeting and parting. Good morning, my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Irina Nabila. You can call me Irina. Nice to meet you. We can translate good morning, selamat pagi. My friends, teman-teman, let me introduce myself. Biarkan saya memperkenalkan diri. My name is Irina Nabila. Nama saya Irina Nabila. You can call me Irina. Kamu bisa panggil nama saya dengan Irina. Nice to meet you. Senang bertemu dengan kalian. Let's see. Okay. In learning point, read and study the explanation below. Bacalah dan pelajarilah penjelasan di bawah ini. Untuk memperkenalkan diri, cara mengucapkan salam yaitu contohnya good morning my friends, good afternoon, dan sebagainya. Yang B, mengucapkan salah satu dari kalimat perkenalan diri berikut. Caranya yaitu may I introduce myself? Can I introduce myself? I'd like to introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. I want to introduce myself. Saya ulangi. May I introduce myself? Bolehkah saya memperkenalkan diri? Can I introduce myself? Sama artinya, dapatkah saya memperkenalkan diri? I'd like to introduce myself. Saya ingin memperkenalkan diri. Let me introduce myself. Perkenankan kami atau perkenalkan saya untuk memperkenalkan diri. I want to introduce myself. Saya ingin memperkenalkan diri. Yang C kita lihat, untuk menanyakan nama dan hal-hal lain, misalnya tempat tinggal dan usia, contohnya, what is your name? What is your name? Siapa namamu? What is your name? How old are you? How old are you? Berapa usiamu? Where do you live? Where do you live? Di manakah kamu tinggal? Where are you come from? Where are you coming from? Harusnya ini coming ya. Where are you coming from? Berasal dari mana kamu? What is your hobby? What is your hobby? Apa hobimu? Baik, mari kita baca sekali lagi anak-anak. Tirukan pengucapan saya. What is your name? Ya benar. What is your name? Yang kedua, how old are you? Benar. How old are you? Ya. Nomor 3, where do you live? Benar. Where do you live? Ya. Nomor 4, where are you come from? Benar. Where are you come from? Benar. Nomor 5, what is your hobby? What is your hobby? Oke. Kalian bisa menghafalkan. What is your name? Siapa namamu? How old are you? Berapa usiamu? Where do you live? Di manakah kamu tinggal? Where are you come from? Berasal dari manakah kamu? What's your hobby? Apa hobimu? Kemudian menyebutkan nama-nama dan hal-hal yang lain, misalnya tempat tinggal, usia, hobi, dan lain-lain dengan contoh berikut. Kalau nama, my name is siapa? Misalkan, my name is Mr. Hadi. I am, nah ini umurnya ya. I am 10 years old misalkan. My hobby is, nah ini hobinya, my hobby is fishing, misalkan memancing. Atau my hobby is reading. Okay. My name is bisa disingkat dengan kata my name diberi koma atas terus kasih s. My name's Mr. Hadi. I am, seperti tulisan I am, ini bisa disingkat dengan I, koma atas, langsung M. I am. Jadi, I am. Oke. Kita lihat slide selanjutnya. Yaitu untuk sekarang mengucapkan salam perpisahan. Kalau tadi salam pertemuan, greeting itu salam pertemuan, sekarang parting, salam perpisahan. Dalam parting ada response atau tanggapan. Contohnya, see you next time, see you next time, see you next time, see you, oke ya. See you next week. See you. Bye. Good night. Goodbye. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you too. Ya. Coba kita baca sama-sama. See you next week. See you next time. See you next time. Bye. Good night. Goodbye. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you. Okay. Now take a look at listening. Listen and complete the dialogue below. Dengarkan dan lengkapi percakapan di bawah ini. Tama bilang, hello, good afternoon. Bondan bilang, ya, kira-kira apa? Good afternoon too. Oke ya. Maaf. Nah. Hello, good afternoon. Ya, Bondan juga bilang, good afternoon. Oke. Kalau Tama mengucapkan, how are you today? Bondan menjawab, I'm just fine. I'm very well, thank you. I'm just fine, thank you. Ya. Kalau Tama bilang, my name is Tama. What is your name? Dijawab, I am Bondan. Kalau Tama bertanya, nice to meet you, Bondan. Bondan said, nice to meet you too, Tama. Kalau Tama mengucapkan, see you next week, Bondan. Bondan bilang, gimana? See you. Alright. Now take a look at once again. Listening once again, okay ya. Sekali lagi. Tama, hello, good afternoon. Bondan said, good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. Kalau Tama bertanya, how are you today? Bondan menjawab, I'm just fine, thank you. Atau I'm very well, thank you. Okay, we meet again. How do you do, students? I hope you're just fine, and I'm very well, thank you. Now we take a look again at the slides. Take a look at the picture number 1. Yeah, picture number 1 is greeting, pertemuan. Maka kita ucapkan yaitu how are you doing? How are you doing? Okay, yeah. Take a look again at picture number 2. Picture number 2 is two people are meeting. Dua orang sedang bertemu. Maka kita ucapkan adalah nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay. The next picture number 3. Picture number 3 is a situation in evening time. Di sore hari. Kita lihat di petang hari, maaf. Kita lihat isiannya adalah good evening. Okay, good evening. Selamat petang atau selamat malam. Good evening. Take a look at number 4. Number 4 is two people, two girls is parting. Dua orang sedang perpisahan. Now, take a look again. And what is the answer is goodbye. Goodbye, bye. Yeah. And now take a look at number 5. Number 5 is the situation in afternoon atau day. Before 12 o'clock, sebelum jam 12 kira-kira ya. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, take a look. Good afternoon. Okay, nice. Good afternoon. Number 6 is someone introducing herself before their friends. Okay, what is the answer? What we have to put in the box? Take a look. Okay, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, students. Good morning, my friends. Okay. Now, take a look again at the next slide. We must practice these conversations between Sarah and Ken. Now, we can read again before we practice. Sarah said, hello, good morning. Ken, hello, good morning. How are you? I'm fine. I'm just fine. Thank you. And you? I'm very well, thanks. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sarah. What is your name? My name is Ken. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Nice to meet you too. Oke ya. Jadi kita bisa praktekkan di depan kelas sebenarnya. Namun bisa kalian praktekkan di dalam rumah, di rumah kalian sendiri dengan partner Anda, misalkan orang tua atau saudara Anda. Oke, kita baca sekali lagi. Let's read again. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yeah. How are you? How are you? I'm just fine. Thank you. And you? I'm very well, thanks. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sarah. What is your name? My name is Ken. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Nice to meet you too. Okay, like that, ya. Seperti itu. Take a look again at the text too. We have to choose between A, B, and C. Okay. Hi, my name is Sharon. Hello, I'm David. Blah, blah, blah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. We have to answer, nice to meet you. Yeah. Number 2, goodbye, Dino. Dino said, what is the reply? Okay. Bye. Goodbye dengan bye. Okay, next slide. Number 3, hello, how do you do? How do you do? Kita jawab dengan apa kira-kira? How do you do juga. Hello, how do you do? How do you do? Number 4, Raden. Hello, Satria. Satria said, hi. Okay, now take a look at the passage below. The title is Tom. Satu paragraf ini ya, coba kita baca. Hello, my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tommy Satria Wijaksana. You can call me Tom. I'm a new student here. I'm from Sumatra Island. I moved to this town a week ago. I live at Kacang Polong Street, number 77. I'm 10 years old. My hobby is playing basketball and reading. This is my introduction, and nice to meet you all. Oke, kita baca sekali lagi. Tom. Hello, my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tommy Satria Wicaksono. You can call me Tom. I am a new student here. I am from Sumatra Island. I moved to this town a week ago. I live at Kacang Polong Street, number 77. I am 10 years old. My hobby is playing basketball and reading. This is my introduction. And nice to meet you all. Go to the next slide. Seperti bacaan tadi, ya, kita artikan coba bacaannya. Tom. Hello, my friends. Hello, teman-teman. Let me introduce myself. Biarkan aku memperkenalkan diri. My name is Tommy Satria Wicaksono. Namaku adalah Tommy Satria Wicaksono. You can call me Tom. Kamu bisa panggil aku dengan Tom. I'm a new student here. Saya adalah murid baru di sini. I'm from Sumatra Island. Saya berasal dari Pulau Sumatera. I moved to this town a week ago. Saya pindah ke kota ini seminggu yang lalu. I live at Kacang Polong Street, number 77. Saya tinggal di Kacang Polong, Jalan Kacang Polong, nomor 77. I'm 10 years old. Saya berumur 10 tahun. My hobby is playing basketball and reading. Hobiku adalah bermain bola basket dan membaca. That's my introduction. Itulah perkenalanku. Nice to meet you all. Dan senang bertemu dengan kalian semuanya. Alright. Now take a look at the question below, 1 until 5. Number 1, what is the title of the text? Apa kira-kira judul dari teks adalah? Yaitu, that's right, Tom. Next, number 2, what is Tom's full name? Apakah nama lengkap dari Tom? Kita lihat dalam bacaan. That's right, Tommy Satria Wicaksono. Then again, number 3, where does he live? Where does he live? Di mana dia tinggal? Kira-kira di mana? At Kacang Polong Street, number 77. That's good. Number 4, how old is Tom? Berapa umurnya Tom? How old is Tom? That's right, 10 years old. 10 years old. Number 5, is he a new student? Is he a new student? Apakah dia murid baru? We can see at the passage above. Yes. The answer is yes, he is. Ya, dia adalah murid baru. Next slide. Okay, thank you for learning and watching. And keep respect your parents, be kind to one another, and always grateful to Allah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.